near and far to help Clarksville in its time of need, less than 48 hours after the storm that killed 3 people in the area. Resources came together at the Mosaic Church, including buses taking volunteers to the heart of the destruction.
It's emotional seeing the response from our community that, man, we are a community for sure. People coming together to go and help their neighbors, being the hands and feet.
Those hands and feet hard at work throughout the day, especially on Calvert Drive. Just blocks away from where the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office says a tornado touched down on Garrettsburg Drive.
It was ecstatic to help, was bothering people about when I could come out, what times, you know what I mean? So it means a lot.
One of those homes belonging to Christine Willison, whose husband is deployed and had 12 animals inside her house at the time of the storm. She recalls rushing home from work and the help of 2 1st Brigade Army medics.
We managed to break into the house and get the dogs out safe. Unfortunately, we had to leave the animals behind that were remaining, but we were able to come back the next day and get them out.
Her mom, Claudia, remembers having to wait out the storm at the grocery store, anxious to get home and check on her daughter.
If you ever watch a disaster movie and it becomes reality, it was scary. I can't describe it. It was really, really scary.
But it's the kindness of others that's getting them through.
It shows Clarksville comes together when needed. It just means everything.
Nikki McGee, News 2.
Well, anyone willing to step in and lend a helping hand is welcome to come to the Mosaic Church the remainder of this week. So just keep that in mind if you're looking for different ways to volunteer. Or you could sign up for a time slot, and there's more information about that on their website. They do ask, though, that you bring a pair of gloves. Make sure you have on the proper clothes as well to get to work if you'd like to help them start cleaning up all this damage.